Welcome back to my channel. Today our video is about YouTube Business Marketing. YouTube Business Marketing Guide. Using YouTube to market your business can be an effective strategy to reach a large audience and increase brand visibility. Here's a detailed guide on how to use YouTube for business marketing. Define your goals. Start by defining your marketing goals. Do you want to increase brand awareness, drive website traffic, generate leads, or boost sales? Having clear objectives will help you create a focused strategy. Create a YouTube channel. If you don't have a YouTube channel, create one for your business. Use your brand name as the channel name and optimize the channel description, logo, and banner to reflect your brand identity. Plan your content strategy. Develop a content strategy that aligns with your marketing goals. Consider the following elements. Identify your target audience. Understand your target demographic and create content that appeals to them. Determine your content mix. Plan a variety of video types, such as tutorials, product demonstrations, customer testimonials. Behind-the-scenes footage, vlogs, or industry insights. Develop a content calendar. Create a schedule for uploading videos consistently to maintain audience engagement. Produce high-quality videos. Invest in creating high-quality videos that reflect positively on your brand. Pay attention to the following aspects. Video equipment. Use a good camera, microphone, and lighting to ensure clear visuals and audio. Script and storyboard. Plan your video content in advance, including the script, visuals, and overall flow. Engage in visuals. Use graphics, animations, and B-roll footage to make your videos visually appealing. Video length. Keep your videos concise and engaging, aiming for 3–10 minutes, unless the topic requires more time. Optimize your videos for discovery. Title and description. Use descriptive titles and detailed descriptions with relevant keywords to optimize your video for search engines. Tags. Add relevant tags to help YouTube understand the content of your videos. Thumbnails. Create eye-catching thumbnails that entice viewers to click on your videos. Closed captions. Provide accurate closed captions or subtitles to make your videos accessible to a wider audience. End screens and cards. Use YouTube's end screens and cards feature to promote other videos, playlists, or external links. Promote your videos. Cross-promotion. Share your videos on your website, blog, and other social media platforms to increase visibility. Email marketing. Include video links in your email, newsletters, or send dedicated emails promoting your videos. Influencer collaborations. Collaborate with popular YouTubers or influencers in your niche to reach their audiences. Paid advertising. Consider running YouTube ads to target specific demographics or promote your videos on other channels. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments. Engage with viewers by replying to their comments and addressing their queries or feedback. Encourage subscriptions. Ask viewers to subscribe to your channel and enable notifications for new videos. Call to action CTA. Include CTAs within your videos to encourage viewers to visit your website, sign up for newsletters, or make a purchase. Analyze and adjust. Use YouTube Analytics to gain insights into your video performance, audience demographics, and viewer behavior. Monitor metrics such as views, watch time, engagement, and conversion rates to gauge the effectiveness of your videos. Adjust your strategy based on the data, focusing on the types of videos that resonate best with your audience. Remember, building a successful YouTube presence takes time and consistency. Stay committed to producing valuable content. Engaging with your audience and adapting your strategy based on feedback and data analysis. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe my channel for more informative content. Thank you for watching.